What's cooking, guys? Welcome back to A La Carte with Alex, where I'm helping you cook up quick, easy, and delicious food one plate at a time. And today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite fruits, and that is the mango and how to cut it properly. We're going to go ahead and take it now. It's very round, as you can see, so you want to go ahead and chop off a tiny sliver at the very bottom to create a nice flat surface where you can stand up your mango just like that, and it won't tip over. That'll help prevent you from cutting yourself. Now, don't cut it on the side there. You kind of see how it's an oval shape. You're going to want to go ahead and you're going to want to take that oval shape. And you want the tallest parts to be up and down. That's where you're going to cut. That's how you're going to avoid that pit in the middle. The pit's kind of shaped like a disc. So once you do that, go ahead and get close to the middle and slice directly down. Now, if you come in contact with that pit, you're going to want to go ahead and just kind of cut around it a little bit. But otherwise, you'll be perfectly fine to just go ahead and cut straight down. Now, once you're done doing that, go ahead and trim off some of that delicious mango flesh that you missed in that initial cut, and save that for later. If you're cutting this for somebody else, that's for you. That middle part, don't judge me. That middle part is for me. Now, once you're done, you want to head and whoa, hang on there. Now, don't go ahead and start cutting with your hand open like that. What you want to do is you want to lay it down on your cutting board and then make those nice square cuts that you see. You don't have to do them as close as I'm doing here, but cut as you want. You want to make sure that you don't cut through the fruit. With a very sharp knife, it is very easy to cut through that mango flesh and directly into your hand. I've done it personally more than I would like, so please make sure that you're being safe. Now that we're ready to unfold our mango, you're going to take your fingers and you're just going to push up on the bottom so you get that nice display of mango, just like that. And there you go. That's so easy. So you can just tear off your chunks of mango and eat them directly from there. You can cut them off with your very sharp knife, remembering to avoid cutting your hand. And if you want, you can take a smaller knife, once again, not going towards your hand, and you can make those same cuts. If you're a little nervous with a larger knife, you can just do a nice smaller knife here, and you get the same results. So now you're ready for your fruit salads, eating it directly from the from the rind. So I've never actually had this make it into anything other than my mouth. But all right, and there you go. There's your fancy cut mango. Go ahead and serve like this. Enjoy. And thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure that you hit that like button down below. Make sure you subscribe so you're never missing out on a video. And make sure that you guys are staying full and staying healthy. Bye, guys. I'm gonna take a piece with me.